Oof. What?
Don't do this.
She's still in the character.
Oh.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. I'm Hiteshika.
Sindhu. Welcome to our channel Mind's Monologue. In our previous video, we had talked about what parenting is all about. Click the link to watch. We are largely following three types of parenting style: controlling, nurturing, and balanced. In today's video, we are going to talk about control parenting. Every parent wants the best for their children, but many of them wants the child to be the best of all, isn't it? Controlling parent wants to make and mold the child into whatever they think they should be. They like to take decision in all their areas, be it habit, hobbies, relationship, friends, education, career, marriage. Yes. In such environment, a child can express a little or none under the control. They are overprotective, over-disciplined, over-interfering, and uncompromising.
Like every coin has two sides, this style of parenting too has its pros and cons. Children under this style of parenting exhibit good behavior at home and outside, maybe out of fear. Sindhu, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
They take every decision very carefully because safety is the prime concern. Where's your mask? You know what is going on out there? Always keep it ready and sanitize your hands. Sanitize. They are goal driven as a result of their conditioning.
See, I got full marks. Yes, I can do it.
I only taught you. Day in and day out I used to sit with you. It's me because of whom you have got these marks.
No credits?
They tend to learn responsibility at an earlier age. Life is a race. Run, 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 run. They perform better where the rules have to be strictly followed. Very disciplined. Keep it up. Too much controlling and constant comparison lowers their self-esteem, increases their self-doubt, and above all, they develop inferiority complex in them. Why are you dressed this way? It's not looking good on you. See how your friends are dressed, how they carry themselves. Learn from them.
Am I not looking good? Thought she liked it. I can never look good. My friends are way better.
Go and get the other two dresses.
Okay.
Since every decision is taken by the parent, they are unable to decide on their own.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
As a result of the parent's behavior, they are unable to communicate their feelings to them.
This one?
Arey Baba, I'm talking. Don't interfere in between. Stop. Only one-way communication is possible. Since their feelings remain inside of them, they become like a pressure cooker filled with anger. Most of them become rebels. Pressure of performance and comparison increases their stress level, and such kind of children are more likely to go in depression. They get emotionally withdrawn and remain unhappy for the most part of their life. Okay. We would like to conclude saying that control style of parenting can have lifelong psychological effects on your children.
Parenting is not about control. It's about listening and understanding how your child is different from you. You may have brought up in a certain way that you may or may not have liked it. It's important to learn from your past and not to repeat the same for your child in present. Try to focus on making them a better individual who is capable of taking his or her own decisions and taking responsibility of their actions. Remember, the way you talk to them becomes their inner voice.
Were your parents also controlling? How was it for you to grow up in such an environment? Feel free to share with us in the comments below. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, stay tuned for our next video. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.